Welcome to Caesar channel. Today, I'll show you how to use Caesar ET Series scanner. Upon opening the box, you will find the scanner and all necessary accessories. Begin by connecting the scanner to the DC power source, computer, and hand button or foot pedal. Place the black document pad under the scanner's head. Install the side lights on the scanner to enhance visibility. Once the scanner is set up, it's essential to download the software for the ET series from the Caesar official website, caesar.com. After installing the software, you are ready to begin scanning. To scan a book, place it on the document pad and select Facing Pages as the processing method. Use finger cots for finger removal and click Auto Page Skewing. Position the book in the center of the black document pad, secure it with finger cots, and tread the foot pedal to initiate scanning. Or you can choose other scanning methods. The software will then generate scanned image files. After exiting the scanning interface, crop the image to remove any unnecessary edges. Supports single and batch processing. Select the desired image, convert it to a PDF format, and utilize the OCR function to transform the image into a file format. Before scanning documents, it is important to select the appropriate color mode. It is recommended to use black and white when scanning documents. Choose manual selection to select multiple areas on the documents. Press the foot pedal or hand button to initiate the scanning process. After scanning, crop the documents to remove any unnecessary edges. Then, click on Word to identify the current language and utilize the OCR function to convert the documents into Word files. This will allow you to freely edit the content within the Word file. On the initial interface, click on Fit Height to adjust the file display size. Additionally, click on the Color Mode option to choose your preferred mode. Place a single photo on the document pad. Adjust the exposure or turn on the side lights to ensure the photo remains clear. Initiate the scanning process by pressing the foot pedal or hand button. If you want to make a digital family album, click on Multi-Targeting Paging and then scan the photos. The scanner will automatically recognize and scan each photo. In the upper right corner, you will find a plus symbol. You can import a pictures folder into the software for editing purposes. The scanned file is saved to the computer by default, but it can be changed to save to other locations or USB drive. Click on the button icon in the upper left corner to change the save location.